Hello everyone. Welcome to our science adventure called Me, My Amazing Body. Today we are going to learn how wonderful our bodies are. Are you ready? Let's start. Imagine we are at a birthday party. How do we know the cake smells good? How do we know a present is soft? Our body has special powers to find out. Let's explore them. Today, we have 3 big questions to answer. What are the parts of our body? What can we do with our body? What are our 5 senses? Let's find the answers together. Look at your face. What do you see? We have hair on top, eyebrows and eyes to see, ears to hear, cheeks, a nose and a chin. You all look wonderful. Open your mouth. What's inside? We have white teeth and a pink tongue. Did you know adults have more teeth than children? Teeth help us chew, and our tongue helps us taste. Now, look at your whole body. We have a head, neck, shoulders, arms, and waist. And look at your hands and fingers. They are amazing because they can hold things, like your favorite pencil or a toy. Now, look down. We have legs, knees, ankles, and feet with tiny toes. What can they do? They help us walk, run, and kick a ball. Everyone, try to wiggle your toes. We have 5 special senses. First, we use our eyes to see things, like a bright red balloon. Second, we use our ears to hear sounds, like a happy song. Third, we have our nose. We use it to smell. Can you smell the yummy food cooking? Our nose works very hard to tell us all the different smells around us. Fourth, we use our tongue to taste. Our tongue can find many flavors. Sweet like a cake, salty like fries, spicy like chili, and sour like a lemon. Which taste is your favorite? Last, we use our skin to feel. Touch your desk. Is it hard or smooth? Touch a teddy bear. Is it soft? Our skin also tells us if something is hot like tea or cold like ice. Stay safe. Wow! Look at everything our body can do. It can see, hear, smell, taste, feel, and move. Our body is truly amazing. Don't forget to take good care of it. Thank you, little scientists.